Light work. Light work. Details. Light work. Yep, no.
Hold on, TD. Follow me. Welcome to my crib. As you can see, I got some 22s on this. Hey, fuck you! Where's your house? That's what I thought. You gotta walk to it. These are the chairs for my invitation people right here. I don't know who the fuck these people are. They're gay though.
Oh shit, there's a scrap! There's a scrap! There's a scrap!
Where my baby? Where my baby at?
Fucking work for me!
Hey, get him out of my house.
Oh, in your front yard!
Hey, hey! You guys didn't pay me for this? This happens every day, I'm telling you.
Because you live in the ghetto side.
He lives in front of
What are you doing here? You're my neighbor.
Oh! I didn't get that one. Do it again. Do it again. I didn't get that part. I didn't get that part.
This is how he ends. He farts on her face, she cries about it, and they go home.
Yo, boy, what's up, girl? What's up, shit, too? Oh, damn.
Look at this, look at this. Isn't that some beauty hair? What's up?
I like that lineup you got in the back.
I like the grass you got on there.
Hey, I like the
$2.99.
I like the bald spot you have right here.
Fuck you, it's not a bald spot.
Hey, where you get your haircuts at? She goes, why, you want to go there?
Mom, bitch.
No, because they fuck you up.
Your mom cuts your hair.
No wonder.
Alright, this is the end of MTV. MTV's over.